First, extend the awning until it has reached a fully open position. This will alleviate pressure on the gas strut, making it easier and safer to remove. Next, gently pry away the black spacers that are found on the pins. You can do this by using a flathead screwdriver. You'll remove the spacers where the pitch arm meets the outer arm, where the pitch arm meets the mount arm on the side of the coach, In order to remove the pins, we're going to use tin snips to remove the push nuts securing the pins on the awning. The push nuts are a one-time use component, so once they've been removed, we'll be replacing them with new ones once we go to reassemble these components. Before disassembling, be sure that the roll tube is properly supported. With the help of another person, gently remove the pins in each respected location. A hammer might be helpful in order to get the pins completely removed, as it alleviates some of the pressure that might be on the pins from operation. As we secure these components back in place, we'll be using a 7/16 socket to push the push nuts down onto the pins and make sure they're properly secured. Be careful that no wires are pinched in the process of putting the pins back together on the awning. When reattaching the pitch arm, the person assisting may need to raise and lower the roll tube in order to align the holes for the pins. Once all of our pins have been secured, we'll put the black spacers back on the awning in each of the locations we initially removed them from. This will allow for more stability as well as proper alignment of all of the awning components, which also allows for smoother operation of the awning. Once all the spacers have been installed, extend and retract the awning fully a couple of times to ensure that everything is working properly.